In the US, right, there are some very large challenges within B2B payments. What I've done is I've tried to create a quick little moniker called Cicero, like our great Roman orator and writer. So the first letter is C, which stands for capital, working capital, right? In the US, the average time it takes for a large business to pay small suppliers is 62 days and growing at 3 days a year. So this is a significant problem for small businesses. There are many innovations out there, which is fantastic to see, around extended payables, accelerated receivables, and then even in B2B marketplaces with embedded financing, which combines not only financing and payments, but also the ability to find suppliers and buyers. So this is the first letter. The second one is infrastructure. In the US is probably one of the least developed infrastructure payments providers in the world. You still have a lot of batch payments. The US ACH system is gigantic. And there's a need for real-time payments in this space. There's also a need for authorizations, embedded fraud controls. And so there's innovation in this space. The UK is kind of leading that out with variable recurring payments, but even in the US, you have clearinghouses, real-time payments. Next one is connectivity. So now what you're finding is software systems are controlling payables and receivables. And so the ability to connect with account payable, account receivable solutions, procurement solutions, treasury management systems, payroll, all that is critical. And even connectivity to batch systems like Matcha's ACH system or Swift. So this is an effort that a number of companies are really leading the change in this space, which is super exciting to see, like Plaid and Kodak. Efficiency, right? So if you are a small business in the US and you have 100 customers, it's likely you have 60 different systems to submit an invoice, right? That's how complex it is. So how can you manage that? Another one is regulation. The regulatory environment around the world actually is still not clear and being defined. Even in the US right now, for example, there is proposed interchange regulation. So this is an area that to watch out for, and it's actually limiting investment. A lot of companies are thinking, do I wait till the regulatory environment is clear? And then last but not least, the O of Cicero, open banking. This is a big deal, right? The ability to now see, not only see what data is in a bank, but also make payments, right? Optimize working capital flows, right? Open banking is a very significant portion. So those are kind of the 6 letters of Cicero.